Start by using an air wand to blow loose debris off and away from the gate. Utilize safety glasses during this step to minimize safety risks. Once the gate is blown off, proceed to spray brake clean on a rag before wiping the surface of the doors and gate plate. Be sure to open the outer portion of the gate as far as possible to maximize the cleaning area. Once clean, we recommend using some WD-40 Specialist spray gel to lubricate the lead screw assemblies. In addition to cleaning the gate, we recommend you wipe down the tool head as well. Keeping it clear of debris will ensure smooth tool operation. Start by using an air wand to blow loose debris off and away from the tool head. Again, be sure to wear safety glasses during this step. Once clear of loose debris, begin by removing the breakaway torch from the tool head and wiping off the block and sensor. With the actuators shown, avoid pressing the thin metal film over the slide systems. Start by using an air wand to blow loose debris off and away from the rails and rack. We recommend you do not blow debris towards the gate you just cleaned. Again, be sure to wear safety glasses during this step. Once the rack and rails are clear of loose debris, begin to wipe the rail down with a rag and some glass cleaner. After the top portion of the beam is clean, begin to clean large debris from the rack with a wire brush before lubricating it with WD-40 Specialist gel. For machines equipped with a material cooling system, we advise you to check the coolant level and add as needed before machine usage. Coolant can be clean water or other coolants such as rust inhibitor. Start by removing the large obstructions such as parts, drops, and plugs. Once the large obstructions are removed, blow out with air or wash with water depending on whether your machine is equipped with a coolant system. In this video, our machine is equipped with a coolant system, so we will wash it out with a supplied hose. Using a pressure gauge at the back of your plasma unit, ensure you have an air inlet pressure between 90 and 120 psi. It is important to keep the work area surrounding the Dragon A400 clean and free from dust and safety hazards. Sweep and mop the work area regularly and remove any debris that may be around the machine. Refer to your plasma system maintenance guide regarding scheduled maintenance and procedures. Common checks are air pressure, cubic feet per minute, and electrical connections.